Now, when we modify the DOM, one of the ways that we can do it is by adding children of an element. To add children, we use append and prepend. So if I go in and I create a new node, which is an li node and has text windows, and I go to the only UL tag that we have and I append that node, appending adds a child element to the end of the list. So you'll see over here under UL, we get a new li with windows at the end. It becomes the last child. Alternatively, we can prepend. So again, I'm making a new li, and this time with text BlackBerry. And I'm going to go find my UL element, and I'm going to prepend that node, the BL node, and prepend makes it a first child. When we're adding children, our only options are to add first with prepend or add last with append. If we want to add something else in here, then we have to add it as a sibling of one of these li nodes, which is next. So now we talk about adding siblings. So siblings use the before and after functions. So once again, I'm going to do the same thing that I did last time, but instead of adding them as children, I'm going to add them as siblings. Be careful. A lot of people get before and after confused with next and prev. Next and prev are for traveling through the DOM. Before and after are for adding things into the DOM. So before adds an element, a sibling element before the current element, and after adds a sibling element after the current element. So again, I'm going to make my win node with text windows, and I'm going to go to UL children dot last, which is pointing here, and I'm going to say dot after. So dot after, I'm going to add win node, so it finds the last li and it adds something after it. Alternatively, I can do the same thing, but I can use before. So if I find the first one and I go before it, then it adds it here. Now, had I done the same, if I'd have done children dot last dot before, then that BlackBerry node would have gone right in here between Android and iOS. So that's how we're adding siblings in this case, whereas before we were adding children.